All right, so now we've come to the final part, and this is a bonus session. I'm going to see how to host our cupcake website on GitHub. So to do this, we need something called GitHub Pages. So GitHub Pages is a static hosting service that allows you to host websites directly on GitHub. There are a lot of websites are hosted on GitHub. You can also host your website on GitHub. So just is something extra. We built a website locally, and now we're going to try and host it with GitHub Pages. So to do that, I'm just going to show you a very simple step to do that. So we're going to go back to GitHub. So you can see we have our website locally on our system. We have all our branches, we have every single stuff. So to merge this, to do any change here, we're just going to come here. I'll just click here, and I'll go to settings. So if I go to settings, I'll go to pages, and it will ask if we want to merge. So I'll say deploy from branch, and I'll say deploy from main branch root, and yeah. So I'm just going to say save, and then click save, and this is going to create our branch. So all right, so after a while, you can see now that we already have a website called it has already created a site for us called this. So if we just click here to visit the site, you're going to see that we have a cupcake website. So this is just a very simple example of things we can do on GitHub. We can also host our website using GitHub. So you can see now we just deploy directly from main, and we need to create like a very simple, very beautiful website. A website directly here, a GitHub page directly here. So I can just come here, and I can just edit this a bit. So let me just make a small edit here. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to make a small edit here. So if I say an edit, I'm going to see nice cupcake website. I'm going to see change header copy to nice cupcake website. Made the commit directly on main branch. So now I've made it commit directly on main branch. If I come here and I reload, this is going to take a while to actually sync, but I'm just going to keep on reloading. Okay, no, I'm on my remote distance, on my local repository, but I'm just going to continue checking here. I'm just going to continue clicking here, see if that's made the updates. Okay, it's still building. You can see now that the build is still pending. It's still trying to like build this. So I'm just going to pause for now, come back when it's done. So now it's done building the website, and if we come to our website here, if I reload this, you're going to see that the copy here has changed to nice cupcake website. If we come locally, we won't see the change that we've made here. Our main branch is still not aware of it, so I can just simply come here. That's why I'll check the branch I'm in. So let's say git branch. So this is our local system, and 127.0.0.1 means is on our local branch. So I'm just going to pull what we have so far. So I'm going to say git pull dash rebase. So if I do this now, we're going to have the change here. So you can see now we have in our local repository we have this update, and from in here we have this update. So I'm just going to make one extra change on our local part. So I'm just going to go to the code. I'm going to come to index of HTML. I'm just going to say cupcake website. I'm just going to leave it as this. I'm going to make a commit here, git commit -m change header copy. Press enter. I've not added this yet, so I'm just going to say git add. Git add. So I've done this, clear, and I'm just going to commit. So I'm just going to push this, git push. I will see if we push this now to our main. It's called that this is building. This will be building. If If I reload this, you see that it's currently in the process of building this. So I say change header copy. It's currently in the process of doing this. So we won't see it now. So I'm just going to use the magic of editing to show you when it's done. So now it's done. We're done with the update we made from our local branch and pushed to our GitHub is done. If we come here and I come and reload this, you're going to see that the copy here changed to Cupcake website, and our local system will also have Cupcake website. So that's it. That's the summary of all we've learned so far in Git. In our next class, we're just going to have a recap of what we've learned so far.